So for this project, I'm using different colors of cotton yarn. This is a mixed blue and this is a mixed gray. I've also got a mixed pink. So I'll join them as I'm working the rows, and I'm using 3mm crochet hook. Just before we start, let me tell you, I'm going to use a single crochet. So this is one of the project which might take time to finish. Some of you might not like the single crochet, but I find it best for a project because it looks neat, elegant and nice. Also it's a tight stitch comparing to the others, like especially we're gonna make filling inside, so the best is the single crochet. Okay, I'm starting with the slip knot or the magic loop, and I'm gonna chain 2. So this is 1 and 2, and I'm gonna do 10 single crochet inside the first chain. So this is 1. I'm sorry if you can hear the constructions noise. I can't help it, it's noisy where I am. So this is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now I have finished my first round. Now on to my second round, and I'll chain 1, and in the same stitch I will make 1 single crochet. So 1 here, and I'll make 2 single crochet in every stitch. 1, 2. Next one as well. So 2 single crochet in every stitch. If you want to see the details how to make a circle using single crochet, I'll put the link. I'll put the link in the description box, so you can see clearly and slowly how to make it if you are a beginner. And join on top of the first single crochet. So this is my first round completed. Now on to the next round, and I'm gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4 rows or 4 rounds total. Total of 4 rounds. So I'll add 2 more next before I turn my work into, like, let's say a cylinder. So I'll chain 1. Now in this row I'm gonna make, in the next stitch, I'm gonna make 2 single crochet, and in the next one 1 single crochet. 2, 1, 2, 1. I'll alternate, so I'll keep my circle flat. So starting onto the next stitch, 2 single crochet, only 1 here, and 2 on the next, 1, and the next is 2. You can hear all the noises. Oh my god. 1 and 2, one, 2. So I'll continue and I'll meet you at the end of this round. And okay, here I'm in my last stitch where I'll make 2 single crochet and I'll join on top of the beginning one, and this is my third. 1 2 3, so one more to add before we turn the work. So the next one will be 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1. So chain 1, 2 single crochet. Okay, so I have chain 1 here and then 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet in the next one as well, 2 single crochet in the next, where is it, 1 in the next, 1 in the next, and 2 in the next one. We'll continue the same until the end of the round. So 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 Okay, so now I am done with the 4 rounds. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna work into spirals, so means I'm not gonna chain 1 in every round. I will just work single crochet in every stitch till I obtain the length required for my work. And the length you need, it depends on your how wide is your door. So depending on that, you will work the length of this project. Okay, so now I slip stitch in my last row. Now this is my first stitch into the next row. I will work single crochet in each stitch, as I said, till the end of my work. And I will add the other colors accordingly if required, as I said, depending on the length of your project. So I will come back later to show you how we're gonna close, because it has to be the same round, the closing side or the upper side. Okay, I'll see you later then. Okay, you can see here how my work is shaping already, and it's not as small as we thought it would be. When you start a single crochet, it expands into a medium size, which is good. So this, how big is this, is very good for the under the door, so it's perfect. And then later we'll sew this round so it's not visible anymore. So I'll continue and I'll come back once I'm done with it. Okay, so here I am. I have completed the entire blue color and also the pink or purple color. I have finished it, and now I have introduced the mixed gray color. So I'm almost done. It should be finished with a gray color, but let's see at the end. It's, as we said, a single crochet, and I started putting the filling inside as I work my rounds. And that's it. I think we'll meet again at the end to show you how to close this side like we started. Okay, so here I have finished the whole excluder, and now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna close this side. I have filled it already, and then the only left to do is the closing. So first I need a stitch marker. I'll show you my magic jar. So I'm gonna put the stitch marker as to where which stitch I started the decrease, because now we're gonna decrease to close the round, because again we're gonna close in every round, not spiral anymore, because we need to decrease in every row. So remember, we did 4 rounds with 2 double crochet, two single crochet and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Now the decrease, we're gonna do 2 single crochet together. So now in this stitch I will pull my loop, and then I'll go to the next stitch and pull the loop, and this is my first decrease. In the next 2 stitches I'm gonna do 1 single crochet. So this is one. I'm sorry because the excluder is long and I can't hold it properly. Let me see. Okay, I think it's better. Right. Okay, so we did 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, another decrease, pull through. Okay, put this back later. Alright, and having 2 loops, I'll go to the next stitch and pull through all 3. So I'll keep decreasing, and then 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches till we come back to our stitch marker. 1, 2 together, 1, 2 together, 1, 2 together, and then at the end of the round 1 single crochet, and another single crochet in the stitch marker, Okay, so I'll remove it now. Now we'll go to the next row. You remember in the third row we did 2 single crochet in one chain, 1 single crochet in the next chain. So now I'm gonna do 1 single crochet and then 2 together, 1 single crochet and 2 together. So now another decrease, which is before 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet, decrease and 1 single crochet. Again, I forgot the stitch marker here. You see it started closing, you can see here. Okay, now 2 rows are left to do before I'll put this, so before my opening gets very small. Okay, and I'll add a little more later on. So whatever you need to do till the end, the closure, it's decrease in every stitch. Only decrease is left, which is 2 single crochet together. I'm sorry if I keep saying double crochet. I get confused sometimes because I work a lot using double crochet, and then I say it before instead of saying single crochet. So now it's only a decrease till we close the round. Very easy. Okay, keeps falling. And let me show you how the closure is getting smaller. This is better, I think. Decrease. Oops. Okay, so here I'm at my last stitches, and later on I'll just use a sewing needle and finish closing, or I can simply close it with a crochet hook. Okay, so I'm gonna do single crochet around to just close these openings, big openings. Okay, so this is the final look of the excluder, and it's already finished. 3 colors I have used, as I have told you before. It's, I don't know, for me it's looking very nice. I like how it turned to be. And then I finished the filling inside. This is how it looks. I finished closing with a sewing needle, normal sewing, and that's it. That's the final look of my excluder. Now what I'm planning to do, which I might include on another video, I want to do like a mat here, attach a small mat, so you know, whenever you put it behind the door, when I close it I can pull the mat and still it will be working and covering the back of the door. So let me know if you want to see how I do and attach the mat, if you in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.